Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Good Time Gal. And you know what today is? Today is Earth Day. Happy Earth Day to everybody. A little history about Earth Day. Earth Day started in 1970. It is one of the largest civic events in the world. It is where billions of people come out to share in their solidarity to make Earth a better place. How does that align with Good Time Gal, you ask? Well, making affordable, equitable recipes with pantry ready staples sounds like we're doing something good for the earth to me. So, today, to ring in this special holiday, we're going to be doing a risotto with wild mushrooms. Yum. It's going to be delicious. If you're following along on the blog, that's where we're going to be. So let's get started. For those of you who are following on the blog, I'm going to go ahead and read the ingredients. You're going to need 6 cups of low sodium chicken broth, which we have, which is about 4 cans of this. You need 4 tablespoons of olive oil, a few ounces of mushrooms. We chose shiitake for today. You're going to need a medium shallot. You're going to need 3 cloves of garlic. You're gonna need 2 cups of arborio rice. You're gonna need half a cup of dry white wine, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1/4 cup of Parmesan, and a 1/4 cup of fresh packed parsley. That's it. Okay, so there are actually 2 pans going. In this pan, I have it on a low heat. This is where I'm gonna put my broth and let it simmer. In this pan, I'm going to add my oil, which is 2 tablespoons. My mushrooms. And then I'm gonna let that cook. Also just gonna add a little salt. And this is gonna cook for like 4 to 5 minutes. You only want to stir this twice, so I'm not going to touch it yet. I'm going to just wait for it to keep marinating, and then I will turn it. Few more seconds, and then we're going to add the chicken. Remember, I've already stirred it twice, so you don't need to stir. You want it to have this nice sear on the mushroom. So don't get nervous. You should have enough oil where the sear is going to work. It should be a non-stick pan, so all of this is going to work for you. Now I'm going to add my shredded chicken. And then let that cook for another minute. And I'm going to put him back in the bowl. Now we're going to use the remaining oil. Throw 2 more tablespoons. So right here. 1, 2. Now we're going to add the shallots. And then we add the garlic. We want that to come together nicely. It's smelling very good already. Very wild and savory. It's also a great dish to do if like you're doing a recycling party today for Earth Day and you want to impress some people. Let them know, hey, I made a risotto. Put in a little salt. Now it's time to put in the broth. The trick with this broth is I want it to evaporate a little as I keep stirring, right? So it's bubbling, it's going, so I just want it to keep going. I'm gonna add 2 more. So now I'm gonna wait for the remainder of this. I'm gonna wait till it gets absorbed and then I'll slowly keep adding. Okay, you're doing great. I've added the rest of the broth. So now I'm going to cover this and it's gonna cook for 22 to 35 minutes until this absorbs into the risotto and it's gonna be delicious. We've added it, all the broth. So now we're just gonna wait. We've got about 10 more minutes left and as you can see, it's bubbling nicely. So we just want to keep stirring our risotto. You're doing good. Keep it up. All right, so we've mixed our chicken in. We turned the heat off and this is the risotto. Time to plate it. The risotto is ready. You did amazing. That is not an easy feat. So pat yourself on the back. Maybe message Chef Ramsay, take a picture, be like, I made risotto. He'll love it. But now, since we've got it done, this is what your risotto should look like. I'm gonna do some finishing touches. The finishing touch is the remainder of the Parmesan. We put it on top, and then our parsley. We also put it on top. Very nice. Time to plate it and taste it. Very nice. Let's try it out. Mm-hmm. Yes. One more bite. Mm-hmm. Yes. It's got a wonderful earthy flavor, not too overpowering. The Parmesan balances out the mushrooms perfectly. You did that. Pat on the back. Pat on the back. From my kitchen to yours, happy Earth Day. Well, that's all the time we have. Thanks so much for hanging out with me this Earth Day. Who knew it would be so savory, delicious, and sustainable? If you have enjoyed this video today, please feel free to check out my channel description. It has all these great cooking aids and links. Or you can go to Amazon and get my Good Time Gal cookbook. That's all the time we have. Happy cooking.